Welcome to homework.
In this question, we are given the average lifetime of the negative pion. So we have a negative pion, okay, and the lifetime in its rest frame. This is the proper time. It is 2.6 times 10 to the negative 8 seconds, okay, in its rest frame. And then there are two parts in this question. In the first part, we are given that the average lifetime measured in the lab is the delta t, okay, which is the dilated time, is given to be 4.2 times 10 to the negative 7 seconds. And so after you accelerate the particle, okay, and measure in the lab, this is the average lifetime, and we want to find the speed of the particle. And then in part B, we want to find the distance traveled during its average lifetime, okay, measured in the lab frame. Okay, so in part A, this is about time dilation, so we'll be using the formula. Okay, delta T equals to gamma delta Tp. Okay, so the delta Tp is and we know that gamma is 1 over square root of 1 minus v over c square. So we want to find the speed of the negative pion in terms of c. Okay, so gamma is delta t over delta Tp. Okay, so which means that 1 over square root of 1 minus v over c square is equal to delta t over delta Tp. Okay, and you take the reciprocal for both sides. Okay, and then you square both sides also, so you have delta Tp divided by delta T square is equal to 1 minus v over c square. Okay, then you have v over c square is equal to 1 minus delta Tp over delta T square. Okay, and v is c times the square root of 1 minus delta Tp over delta T square. Okay, now you can substitute the values. 1 minus, so delta Tp is 2.6 times 10 to the negative 8. Delta T is 4.2 times 10 to the negative 7. Okay, when you calculate this, you get 0.998 C. Okay, so this is the answer for part A. Okay, then in part B, we want to find the distance traveled by the particle measured in the lab frame during its lifetime. Okay, so the distance traveled will just be the speed that we found in part A times delta t. Okay, so 0.998 times the speed of light. Okay, then times the delta t you given in part A, so 4.2 times 10 to the negative 7. You calculate this, you get 126 meters. Okay, so this is the answer for part B, and that's all.